Hey guys, it's me Dena from Cookwithdena. I got many requests to make an iced keto coffee, so let's make one. First you start out with 6 ounces of ice. And you need a glass that's about 12 ounces big. And then you're gonna take 2 shots of espresso, fresh preferably. If you don't have fresh, you can do instant espresso. So it's about 2 ounces that you'll need. Next, you're gonna take 5 ounces of water, put 2 teaspoons of a keto-friendly sweetener. I'm using monk fruit. And then you're gonna add 3 to 4 drops of vanilla extract. Mix it together, and now you've gotten your sweetened vanilla water. Pour that water on top of your ice. Now add your 2 shots of espresso. At this point you could drink it as just a vanilla flavored Americano, iced Americano. But of course we want it to be creamy, so we're gonna top it with 3 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. And that's it. You've got a vanilla keto iced coffee. I hope you guys like this recipe. It'll be down below. And keep your drink suggestions coming because they're so fun to make. I love every time y'all give me a new drink to come up with. I love that challenge. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.